Use either area equals half the base times the height or area equals base times height divided by 2 to find the area of each triangle below. So let's rip into it. We should be able to use the first formula, so area equals half the base times the height. So what that means is, let's plug in what we know. So it will be half times the base, which is 5, times the height. Remember, these two lines intersect at 90. That's how we know that they are the dimensions we need to use. So the height in this case is 4, and area equals 5 times 4 is 20, times a half is 10, so that's 10. We're talking about centimeters. It's area, so it has to be squared. If we wanted to use the other formula, we would go area equals base times height divided by 2. So area equals base times height divided by 2. So that would be 20 divided by 2, which would be 20 divided by 2 is 10 centimeters, talking area squared. Okay, so the second one. Again, we go area equals half the base times the height. So area equals, we've got the half, that stays. The base is 12. The height is 10. So a half times 12, which is 6, times 10 is 60. We're talking centimeters, and it's squared because we're talking area. If I was going to use the other formula, it would look like this. Area equals, what is it, base times height divided by 2, right? So area equals, what's the base? 12 times 10, which is the base, which is the height, and we divide that by 2. Area equals, what's 12 times 10? That's 120 divided by 2, and 120 divided by 2 is 60 centimeters squared. And for the last one, let's use area equals half the base times the height and plug in what we know. So we've got a half, and we've got the base of 9 multiplied by a height of 3. So half times 9 is 4.5, times 3 is 13.5, and we're talking centimeters squared. And again, over here, if we were using the other formula, it'd be area equals base times height divided by 2. So the next level should be 9 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. So it is 27 divided by 2, and area equals 27 divided by 2 is 13.5. We're talking centimeters squared. And that would be the final answer.